The chapter on land in the draft constitution has met stiff opposition from a section of the political class, particularly from Rift Valley and Coast provinces. Retired President Daniel Moi set the ball rolling.
Sasa shamba na nationalise. Hata ya baba yako una nationalise kule wapi? Kama kidogo ni yako.
But the draft constitution only provides for regulation of land use as a key factor of production. The draft outlines that the state may regulate land use in the interest of national defense, public order and safety.
It does not matter what you have as an individual, as a community or as a public, if that does not translate to societal good.
Opponents of the draft, on the account of provisions in the land chapter, have also raised concern that the new law would place a ceiling on how much land an individual can own. This is indeed true, but a look at the draft constitution indicates that this provision has been left in the hands of members of parliament who will enact a legislation fixing the minimum and maximum land holding acreages in respect of private land.
It is no coincidence that all people who are opposed to the proposed new constitution, courtesy of what is in the chapter on land, they all happen to be the landed aristocrats, the landed elites of this country.
All land in the country, according to the draft, will be identified as national land, but classified under public, community and private land. It will be managed by the National Land Commission, an entity that has elicited stiff opposition from the draft's critics. The National Land Commission will also investigate present and historical land injustices.
Land is no longer treated as an estate of the president. Land is no longer treated as an estate of a few, but collectively we all own it.
The proposed National Land Commission, according to experts, seeks to institutionalize land management in the country and depart from the current practice where the Commissioner of Lands has sweeping powers on land-related issues and hence creating room for corruption and undue influence from an overbearing executive. Land remains one of the most emotive issues and a major contributing factor to the post-election skirmishes. However, the chapter on land has been a victim of distortion, misrepresentation and misinformation. Hence, the need for civic education to ensure that Kenyans make an informed decision during the forthcoming referendum. Francis Gachuri, Citizen Live at 9 in Nairobi.